Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Gears of War beta. First, you'll need to secure your access. This often involves pre-ordering the game digitally, having an active Game Pass subscription, or owning a previous digital edition. Once eligible, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements, typically including 8 GB of RAM and a compatible operating system like Windows 10. Finally, locate and download the beta client from your platform's store or library. After gaining access, the next step is installation. Simply follow the prompts to install the beta client, which may require around 70 GB of disk space. Once installed, dive into the settings menu to optimize your experience. Adjust graphics, controls, and audio to your preference. Remember, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial for smooth online multiplayer matches, minimizing lag and disconnections. Now, let's talk gameplay. The cover system is fundamental. Use it to your advantage for protection and tactical movement. Perfecting the active reload mechanic is also key, granting a temporary damage boost and quicker reloads. Experiment with the diverse weapon arsenal, from the close-quarters Gnasher shotgun to the versatile Lancer assault rifle, to find what suits your playstyle and the situation best. To elevate your game, focus on teamwork. Effective communication with your squad can turn the tide of battle, especially in objective-based modes. Don't hesitate to experiment with various character abilities and weapon loadouts to discover powerful synergies. Finally, remember that beta participation is vital for game development. Share your constructive feedback through official channels to help shape the final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.